What's up, everyone? Just sitting here watching price action in real time here. Want to show you the thought process, the trade setup, and the trade that I took. So we were thinking internal range liquidity to external range liquidity. Working on getting a funded account. So I took it onto my funded futures. I was a little late to the party. I think I was making coffee, but essentially the trade was this internal range liquidity should reverse out of that and take us higher, just given the bullish bias that we've seen this week. At least back up to Asia highs is a target. High of the day is right here, or daily open at 1600. So I have pushed my stops up to about right there. Just to get into profit, I need like 60 more points, I think, to pass this my funded futures evaluation. We're sitting right here around midnight open. So I'd like for it to bust through that. Take out these equal highs here. It was the same process over and over again. Just mark these out. What was this one, a 1 hour? No, it's a 4 hour fair value gap. So, and then a 60-minute 2-2 reversal. I mean, yeah, I gotta be patient for this to set up, but you can, if you want to reduce risk, everybody's talking about risk reward. You could have hopped in right here, this 5-minute trigger, because that's the first trigger out of this. And if your stop was down here, you're risking 93 to 80, 13 points to make 57. It's pretty good. But I'm gonna mark this one out here too. And I know, even though we're bullish, it is Friday. So we're expecting this weekly wick to be put in now. Do we expand higher today and then put the wick in, or is this the top of the week? We don't know, but always good to just have this on your sheet, play sheet. I could add here on this inside fiber, and I'm gonna do that. That's what you should do, add to your winners. We still have 35 minutes left in this hour to keep expanding higher. So let's watch and see what this does. If it triggers. See what it does to her. Probably just go break even right away. Don't want to lose money. if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But again, same principle here, just on a smaller time frame, 5 minute fair value gap, internal range liquidity to external. So you could hop down. So let's say you're using 5 minute as your internal to external range liquidity. You could drop down to the 1 minute, take this reversal right here, back to external range liquidity. I don't like doing that personally, but it's an option. I'm not gonna fill this, huh? New York session about to start, AM session at least. So, see if they want to keep it going. When this 30-minute candle opens, I'd like for it to just see a small wick down and continue higher right away. Yep. Oh, come on. Just moved my stop to a 5 minute reversal, which this could go 1 bar rev strat on us, 3 bar, but it might not. So that's why you let it sit there. And if it does, I want to see this 30-minute, like I said. I mean, that's about as big a wick as I want. See this thing go. Get your little legs pumping. Get your little legs pumping. This goes and hit start. This would be a great video to show how to add to a winning position, not take away from it early. This is important because you look at this 60-minute bar right here. Here's our trigger. And we still have, like I said, when we sat down, 25 minutes left, or 35 minutes left of this hour. So we're expecting this thing to keep going higher. You match it up with the 4 hour, this thing's going 1 bar rev strat most likely, right? So when you piece it together and you got time frame continuity, week, day, it's inside day, but all this is green. Day's red actually, sorry. Daily open was somewhere over here at 1600. I don't want to see this thing come back down here. Obviously that'll be a reversal, but if it happens before that, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Come on. So this low is also the low of our 30-minute, and we don't want that thing to go too up red and back down through this, which could happen. That's why you protect with tight stops. But either way, if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. The only thing is, I like locking in profits. Some people will tell you to move your stop down here, which is fine too. I mean, it's a risk-free trade. Or even down here. But the whole point of adding to your winner is the fact that, so we got in, that first position I think was in at like 24. So right here, so up 30 points. We added up here at 52. So even if this one gets stopped out, that's what, 5 point stop out, so 100 bucks off of your 25-ish, 22 points. So it's still a $300 profit. honestly. What's this new 5 minute flips? But we'll just keep riding this stop up. We'll add again. If we stay inside here. I'm going to push my stop up tight here. I don't want this to go 3 bar against me and lose that profit. Put one right here. So now everything's green. The day is turning green, even though we're inside still, so could be a choppy day, especially after yesterday's range. But right now I still like this setup here. Inside 30 right here, so you could, again, if you took the 60, it's an extra 15 points that you could, you know, reduce your risk with. Yeah, the 60 bar is just like a daily bar, right? Open, low, we're expecting it to close higher, so we want to keep seeing expansions. And that's why we can add to these things here. Inside 5, inside 5. Come on. first target was hit right there, obviously. New 15-minute flip coming here. I'd like to see us push up into that. One more point and a tick. All right, that's the trade.